Apple has debuted a new iPhone today, the iPhone 16e. It's a new model in the iPhone 16 lineup and the first E variant. The iPhone 16e adopts a design similar to the base iPhone 14. The iPhone 16e will only be available in white and black. It also comes with an action button like the iPhone 15 Pro series. The iPhone 16e features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, ceramic shield for protection, and 1200 nits peak brightness. It's powered by a 3nm A18 chip, which is also found on the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. It has 8GB of RAM and paired with up to 512GB of storage. The iPhone 16e also debuts Apple's first in-house modem, Apple C1. It runs the latest iOS 18 out of the box. There's a single 48-megapixel rear camera with optical image stabilization and a 12MP front camera. Apple doesn't reveal the battery details. That supports 18W wired charging and 7.5W wireless charging. iPhone 16e starting price at $599. It will go up for pre-order on February 2 × 10 to the power of 1 and will be released on February 28th. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.